welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. I'm Rosemary Orchard, and in this week's tip video, I'm going to be showing you PeekaView and Guided Access Mode. PeekaView is an app for iOS which is designed to let people view your photos, and nothing more. You could share your phone with a toddler or simply a friend, and they won't be able to share your photos, delete them, like them, or add them to other albums, keeping everything exactly the way you wanted. When combined with Guided Access Mode, this can turn your device into a digital photo frame, albeit with swipe and zoom capabilities. Ideal for showing off all of those holiday snaps. I'm just going to start by opening up PeekaView on my iPhone, and let's go through the setup. First of all, you need to allow access to photos. This is because PeekaView is a photo viewing app, so I'll go ahead and tap OK. Next up, PeekaView gives us a brief introduction to Guided Access Mode. I'll just go ahead and start PeekaView because we'll come back to that later. The first thing that we see here is our Recents album, and that's what it defaults to. We can scroll up and down, and we can even tap on photos. Now, if like me, you have photos offline and perhaps poor or no internet connection, then to start with you'll see a very small preview in the middle of your screen. This is the same as what happens in the Photos application itself, and it will resolve itself once we have an internet connection. Here we can now swipe between all of our different photos, including videos, and see everything, including my wonderful selection of screenshots from previous Screencasts Online shows. To get out of this single photo mode, we can just tap and drag on the top of a photo down to the bottom of the screen, which will take us back to the multi-photo view or photo grid. Now let's just go and take a look at the settings. Here we have a choice of a variety of different settings. First up, we have Albums, where you can go ahead and select a different album. If I just tap Done here in the top right hand corner of settings, then you can see my Automators album, and once this image downloads, then you'll see it in full view. I'll just swipe down on this image and then we can pop over it back into the settings once more. Here we have a few more toggles, such as motion previews. This allows us to see a motion preview of any image, should I have one. Unfortunately, in this particular album, I don't have any to demonstrate. But it means that if you have a live photo, then you'll see the movement, or the same with a GIF or GIF, depending on how you pronounce it. I'll just go ahead and toggle that back on. Our next option is enabling or disabling zoom. This means that people can pinch to zoom in or out on your device to really see all of the beauty and detail in your photos.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.